I can only speak for my family, just me examining my family and not anyone else's. I would say another major disconnect between the elders and the youth is the elders didn't pass down the knowledge. They didn't pass down the wisdom. I can't speak for anybody else's family. I'm speaking for my family. My grandmother was extremely tight-lipped about her experience. And actually it was my great aunt, my grand aunt, which is her sister, who told me, let me tell you about your grandma. She was the one who broke it down. It raised my level of respect for my grandmother, because it was like, my grandmother has been through so much, but because it was so painful, because it brought back these horrible memories, she suppressed that part of herself. But she didn't realize that by telling me that, how much that would help my life, knowing that these are the experiences that my grandmother went through. I can avoid that. I don't have to go through that because my grandmother went through that. And I think that one thing I can say about my mom that I'm grateful that she did. My mom is one of the realest people. Everybody that knows my mom, they forget about me, they remember my mom. My mom keeps it 100 is an understatement. Like she's extremely, sometimes too much real. And just her being so honest with me from the time I was a child until now has really shaped my life, because I don't have to worry about hearing it from the streets. I don't have to worry about hearing it from somebody else, because I'm like, I can go home and ask my mom and she'll tell me how it is. Right. And I think that that's one of the biggest problems, is we're not honest with our children. For example, my ex-boyfriend, he found out all these things about his mother, and he wondered like why he didn't have a good relationship with his mother. It was because his mother had been through so much. She had been abused physically, she had been mentally, emotionally, she had been abused, and he never understood why she acted the way she was, why she was so introverted, why she was so damaged. And it took someone else to bring it to the light, like, no, this is what your mom has been through. And it helps you raise your level of understanding and respect for the person, because it's like, yo, you have endured so much. Yeah. And I think that that's one of the problems, is that I wish more of the elders would tell the youth what's real. Tell us what it is. Like, I know that I am thirsty for that wisdom. Mm-hmm. I told Miss Maxine, I said, it's very rare that you see a grandmother or great-grandmother with gray hair. Because all these grandmothers out here, they want to dye in their roots. They want black hair. They want blonde hair. You got grandmothers out here with piercings and tattoos and nipple rings. It's like, you're a grandmother. You know what I mean? Like trying to keep up with exactly. And I think that that's another disconnect. It's like, how can I look to you and respect you when you dress like me? You look like me. We're going to get our weave put in at the same place. Like, really? We're going to get our nails done at the same place. I don't think that I shouldn't be able to shop at the same clothing store as my grandmother. And I think that just seeing a grandmother, just the visual of a grandmother, not the stereotypical old with the glasses, but just that gray hair, which shows that wisdom, it shows that age. You know what I mean? Like, we need that. And I think that if the youth had more grandmothers and more great-grandmothers to pass down that wisdom, then we would be doing better off. As well as grandfathers. And as far as grandfathers, to pass down that wisdom to their grandsons and their sons. Mm-hmm. And I think that that's a major disconnect, is one, not like he said, passing down the information, no matter how painful and how hurtful it is. I know, like, you guys were called nigger. I know that you probably saw your parents being lynched. But these are the things that we need to know about, because how can we avoid these snares if nobody tells us that they're there?